everybody, I'm Tzivi Rapaport and I'm so excited to be back here in the Kettle Cord kitchen. Today, I'm going to be doing a Purim video, but I don't want to stick to the basics because everybody knows the basics. The candy, the nosh, and of course, the mother's getting upset. So today, I'm bringing something new to the table. We're going to be making chocolate molds to glam up your Purim baskets. So, let's get started. For beginners, we are going to be taking 1 tablespoon, not teaspoon, tablespoon. And we are gonna take 2 tablespoons of oil so that it stays liquidy. I'm using 2 packs of chocolate chips. Every pack that you use, you just add another tablespoon and bring it onto the microwave. And we're gonna set it for 2 minutes and 30 seconds. I mixed it every 30 seconds until the chocolate was melted. So do it until your chocolate is perfectly, beautifully melted. So for beginners, we are gonna pour some chocolate into this bowl and add some Viennese crunch. We just wanna mix it up and get it nice and combined and looking delicious. So we're gonna start by coating a little bit at the bottom. It's gonna get messy, it's fine, we'll clean it up after. Also, you don't wanna worry about smoothing the edges out because we're gonna use an offset spatula and we're just gonna pull it along. So we're just finishing this up now and it's looking like it's supposed to, and we're gonna move it over to the side and start with the next one. We are going to be putting a layer of chocolate, a raspberry filling, and more chocolate on the top so that when you take a bite of it, you just get a fun surprise that everybody loves. We really just want to get a layer of chocolate around it so that you could put in a special thing. So we're going to put these chocolates aside now so it can harden and set so that when we fill it, it will not mix in with the raspberry. If your chocolate starts hardening, you could just pop it back in the microwave for 30 seconds and it will be perfectly silky again. So now we're getting back to this chocolate raspberry and it seems like it's all set. I'm gonna take the luscious raspberry cream and add it in so that we could get a beautiful inside of our flowers. And we don't want to put too much because we want to be able to cover it after with more chocolate. So now we're gonna just start sealing these jelly filled ones, and you wanna make sure there's no ear holes and just get it perfectly covered. You don't want the jelly to be peeking out because that just ruins the whole surprise. Have fun with it. Don't be all perfectly perfect. It's Purim. Things happen. And then there's gonna be a nice surprise for whoever tries my delicious treats. So now we're just gonna bring in our offset spatula to the rescue. We're just gonna seal it. And still, if you see any raspberry, just quickly seal it up. You don't want any raspberry on it. So for this next chocolate, we are going to be adding chocolate to a praline paste and adding some Razzle mix, so it's gonna be perfectly fun for kids. So let's just take some chocolate and scoop it into this praline. We'll mix it up all together. Now we are going to be adding our Razzle mix all in. So now we're just going to start scooping it into our molds. And just like the other ones, nice and steady. It could get messy, it's fine, it's going to be fine. So now we're just going to offset spatula this. I thought of a few more ideas and you'll be able to see them after, but you can literally do whatever you want. If your kid likes a certain type of jam or whatever, you could even put peanut butter in your chocolate. Who cares? As long as you have fun and it's good. So I have a few more ideas that I'm going to show you now. I did mix chocolate praline with Rice Krispies, and I also did a separate one of hazelnut cream mixed with this colorful chocolate chips, and we put them in these cute little present boxes so that they could be a surprise. And we have an assortment of different types of molds so that you can do any type you want. Okay, so now that they're all set, I'm just gonna show you how to pop these chocolates out, and it's okay if they're not perfect. We all make mistakes, and it's Purim! We don't care, it's chocolate. Heaven's sake, who doesn't eat chocolate? So we're done. But we don't want to leave our chocolates on the plate. No, we want to go full throttle for Purim. So I got some really cute present boxes to put our chocolates into. But looking at it now, they look kind of dull. I know, maybe let's add some decorations to it. So I bought some cute little matte Purim masks and other decorations like this to put onto our present boxes to make them even prettier. So I brought some glue dots, but you can use glue, crazy glue, whatever you want, as long as it sticks. You can just take one off and stick it in the back of your mask, like this. Or whatever decoration you want. And I'm just gonna stick it onto the corner. And voila! Beautified in a minute. So I actually did the same thing with a red one, with a little longer box, and looks adorable too. And who doesn't love a butterfly who loves chocolate? Obviously it's fake, because that would just be wrong if you used a real one. So now we're gonna put these chocolates in. I think we're gonna add this little present box over here, and a triangle over here, and a little circle, and maybe a heart. I think now we're done. But there's some extras here. I'm gonna eat them. Oh my god, that's heavenly! Wow! I don't think my friends are gonna believe that I actually made that. Please like and subscribe to this video, and thank you so much for watching. Have a happy and freilichen Purim.